Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we've installed another Meta Autoblok on this Hyundai Ioniq. It's a 2019 model and we're going to show you how it all works. So all you need to do is get into the car. We're going to unlock the car, get in. If you try and start, put your foot down on the brake and press the start button. The ignition turns on, but it's not ready to drive. All you need to do is get your security tag. You get 2 with the installation. This is what the tag looks like. Press the button on the tag. You get a red feedback to let you know the immobiliser is deactivated. And then you press the start button. You can see now it says ready to drive and you can get going. Once you switch the car off and lock the door, the immobiliser is reactivated after 50 seconds. For an additional cost, you can also connect the horn to the immobiliser so that during a theft attempt, the horn will start honking, creating an audible deterrent. If you're interested in a Meta Autoblok Immobiliser or you need a bit more information, give us a call on 0330 133 1518.